Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
AAJI is a leading organization which is providing elder care since August 2012. Our focus is how do we improve the quality of care delivered to elders. We have vertical solutions. One of the solutions that we are offering is an assisted living center. Today we have inaugurated Goa's first assisted living center and a dementia care center. This is AAJI Care's fifth center. We have 4 centers currently in Mumbai and Pune. And today I'm very thrilled and excited to start this in Goa. Goa did not have a single center which is dedicated for dementia, which is dedicated for assisted living center. So AAJI's attempt is to provide that center solution to the families with elders. So who can afford or who can use this assisted living center? Assisted living center is for someone who is having medical challenges like Alzheimer's dementia, Parkinson, cancer, end of life care is what we will offer in the center. This is not a center for healthy seniors. This is for elders who have mobility issues, who have mental health issues, or who have medical issues like a knee replacement, hip replacement. These people can get a best care in our center because we have a team of doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, trained caregivers, psychologists to look after them under one roof. We provide them a nutritious food. We have a lot of activities to focus on their socialization. We have garden. We have a large terrace to do spiritual activities, yoga activities. So this center provides them care and comfort and rehab under one roof.